A clogged culvert has changed the creek's direction, and it's now racing through and washing away much of the road. In Chehalis, while floodwater races nearby, the mood is calmer, at least in this house. We came across this YouTube poster passing the time with a novel and a video camera.
Sucks, but it's not so bad. I mean, we've got food, water, the internet, the three things that man needs to live. We're definitely not doing the breaststroke through the parking lot, so I know some friends are kind of worried about that, but don't worry, it's not like anybody's going to come after us.
On Highway